Hey awesome humans, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Malia. I upload weekly lifestyle videos, and this is my sister Ashlyn. Today we will be doing a tour of her room. If you missed my last few videos, I did a room tour and bathroom tour, so I wanted to continue the whole room tour theme and show you guys what my sister's room looks like.
Okay, so first of all, we have a little makeup corner, or what I like to call it, the makeup corner. And so I have like a makeup organizer that rotates kind of all around, super cute. Just like to store my makeup with it. And then I have my skincare and just some glasses cleaner over there and some makeup brushes here. It's like I like to store them in a cute container, and yeah. So a little bit further on this desk, I have a ring tray. I'm not going to say her name because that's going to trigger her, but yeah, you probably know what it is. And then a sound machine for when I go to bed. Okay, so next I have a little salt lamp right here. Really aesthetic, and I love it. It definitely matches the vibe of kind of the hanging over here as well. And then if you turn this way, I have a palm tree painting that I thought matched the vibe of kind of this area over here. So if you turn a little bit, you can see my slime and squishies bins. And then over here is what I like to call Lego City, where I have all of my Legos that I built. And also if you pull out these drawers, there's a bunch of Legos in them. So yeah. Okay, so next I have my plant area. I have a plant hanger, some water to spray my plants with, and some more plants. Okay, so now when you turn a little bit to the side, I have a cute macrame that I got for Christmas this past year. Okay, so I have a cute unicorn container, and I have a sign that says Coffee and Mascara Hustle, and then just some of my braces stuff over there. Okay, so now we are kind of approaching the main area of my room. So over here I have some snacks and then just some lights, random lights, and then some stuffed animals. Okay, so this is my couch, kind of my main area where I sit and stuff. So you can see I have vines and fairy lights. They're super cute, love them. And I have a cute blanket. It says Let's Get Cozy. And then some squishmallows. I don't know if you guys have heard of these. They're super cute and I love them. They're really soft and just great. Okay, so kind of over here I have a little like blanket corner, pillow corner, and yeah. Okay, so as you can see I have a desk, and then it's called a loft. So I basically have a desk and then a bed kind of on top of it with a ladder. So let's do a tour of my desk. Okay, so I have a chair. I usually put my jackets on it. Just, yeah, that's kind of what I do. And then over here I have another chair which I just sit in whenever I'm bored and just like to chill in it. Got a little cute pillow. And then over here I have my laptop that I use for school. So whenever we have like Zoom meetings, I just log onto my laptop. So continuing on, I have over there kind of my Bible stuff, and then pens, art. Obviously I love to do art, kind of that fun stuff. Over here I have my electronics area, and yeah. So this is my mirror. I have my name on top. I got that from a camp a while ago. And I also have like a little verse that kind of is just positive, and I love it. Now over here I just have a romper. I haven't put it back in my closet yet. My closet is really messy, so yeah. This is my closet. I have all my clothes on this rack here, and then just leggings in here, and then just, you know, other leggings. I keep my shoes in there and hangers over there. Now, this closet is just a closet where I keep anything random that I don't really want to store out. Kind of just squishes and yeah. This is a mask holder where I keep all my masks and just hair ties and stuff like that. And
The last thing is her shelves. She had to go, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed that tour of my sister's room, and if you want more room tours in the future, definitely comment down below and I'll see what I can do. Be sure to subscribe and hit the thumbs up button, and I'll see you in the next one.